Hello student, last week we start our new chapter gravitation and we see the points. First one, Kepler's law of gravitation, and second one is acceleration of the moon which is toward the center of the earth. Okay, now in this video we continue our next point. We learn a next point, universal law of gravitation. So first see a statement of the universal law of gravitation. So every particle of matter attracts every other particle of matter with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So from statement we can write here formula form, means F is directly proportional to the product of their masses, means m1 and m2, the two masses of the body or object, and inversely proportional to the, means force is inversely proportional to the r square, means distance of the square of the distance between two objects. Okay, so from this three-dimensional coordinate system we considering position of the two bodies, means here x, y and z. This is the three-dimensional coordinate system and its origin is O, and from this initial point m1 means mass of object 1, means point object first is situated from the initial, means origin of the to the point object m1 and the distance is r1. Then second object situated from the origin of O to the point object second, means mass m2 and the distance is r2 vector. Okay, and the distance between two object bodies is r21, means two masses of body, then distance of the two masses of body is r21 vector. So here m1 and m2 the masses of the two bodies, and r is the distance between two bodies, and F is gravitational force of attraction. So from the statement we can hear mathematical formula F is directly proportional to the m1 m2 upon r square, or F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, and where G is the constant known as the universal gravitational constant. So this law is applicable to all material objects in the universe. So hence it is known as the universal law of gravitation. So constant value of the G is, means universal gravitational constant G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. The SI unit is Newton meter square per kg square. So dimension of G is L cube m minus 1 t minus 2. So this is the universal law of gravitation. Now next point is acceleration due to gravity. We know that acceleration due to gravity denoted by small g. Now we know that also the above formula F is equal to G mm upon r square. Here G is a universal constant, m is the mass of the object on the earth, and capital M is shows that mass of the earth, and r square is the distance between object to the mass of the earth, means distance from object to mass of the earth. Okay, so where M is point object, capital M is another point object of mass, and small r is distance between two object points. So therefore, if the point object will be accelerated towards the center of the earth under the action of this force, means अर्थवरची प्रत्येक ऑब्जेक्ट अट्रॅक्ट करत असते, एक्सेलरेट टू द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. सेंटरच्या टूवर्ड्समध्ये प्रत्येक ऑब्जेक्ट एक्सलरेटेट करत असतो, त्यामुळे इथे फोर्स अप्लिकेबल आहे F is equal to G(mm)/r². So the acceleration can be calculated by using Newton's second law. So F is equal to ma, we'll write the Newton's second law. So here a means normal acceleration. So for the earth we write here not a normal acceleration, right here acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so here a and g is the same. So here g written in for the earth and here normal acceleration. So therefore F is equal to mg. So note the formula for F means force Gmm/r². Here small r² is equal to m into g. So small m cancel out and we get equation Gm/r² is equal to g. So where g is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth and equation 2 known as the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. And so if the object is close to the earth's surface of the earth, so small r is nearly equal to capital R, because we know that r is the radius of the earth. So the radius of the earth, so g small g is equal to means acceleration due to gravity, means equation 2 becomes Gmm/R². This is the equation number 3 and this shows the gravitational due to gravity.